Was this really going to be all we needed? Everything looked straightforward and there only seemed to be a few parts. I helped Tony to put up the bar, which really was just kind of screwing at each end. Then it was plumber's tape and Tony screwing in the rest of the parts where they belonged. It even was working with our existing shower head wand combo. Now it was time to test.
We have a small shower.
All of our dreams are coming true.
Look at this.
Dude, nobody has to be laughing about the water.
Yeah. This is so good. You want this?
Oh my god, dude. This is awesome.
Right?
This is amazing. Oh, this is great. Ah, yeah.
I can't believe it. This is awesome.
Yeah.
No, seriously,
This is perfect.
It's a small shower.
Yeah.
That's it. We approve.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Wow, that really worked. We'll never look back. Well, maybe.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Isn't this fun, honey?
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We love to hear from you.